We have a sleeper here, and a rare one at that. Take a look at this beauty. 1969 Chevrolet Biscayne two-door sedan or two-door post. That's not necessarily the rare part. Check this out. Original 427 car, that's right, L72, 425 horsepower, 427. Le Mans blue, paint code 71, and listen to this. Here's what really makes it rare. Muncie 4-speed M22 transmission. Take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. We'll get into a few more details in this car, but first, let's take a look at the chrome. That bumper up front, grille. You can see paint shows well. Now, we do have documentation on this. There is a invoice stating how this car was equipped. There's also the protecto plate. There's a broadcast sheet, and you can see that all with the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to see the stamp off the transmission. You can decode it. You'll be able to see the suffix code on the engine block. Riding on red line radials. Steel wheels. Chevrolet center caps. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Of course, black basic vinyl interior in this car. There's the manual 4-speed. And again, M22 transmission, believed to be one of 6 produced with the 427 and that special M22 tranny. You can see these panels, nice and straight. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. True dual exhaust coming out the rear, as you can see. Chrome rear bumper. All right, this car was actually delivered to Princeton, Missouri. It's a Janesville, Wisconsin build. Tommy Tomlinson's Chevy Olds and Pontiac is where it was sold new. I have a copy right here, and you're going to be able to see this in the still pictures. I can kind of go down, give you a brief rundown of what it says, and like I said, take your time looking through the still pictures. So when it was ordered with soft gray tinted glass, door edge guards, the remote control rear view mirror, special purpose suspension, posi traction axle with 355 gear ratio, power disc brakes, the 425 turbojet, so 425 horsepower turbojet, 427 V8, special 4-speed transmission, electric clock, stereo tape system, heavy duty radiator, black vinyl trim, and 71 Le Mans blue. Definitely not a car you're going to see every day. You can see up and down the driver's side. Paint also shows well, has a nice shine to it. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood so you can see that 427. And again, L72. Door panels. Seating surfaces, nice shape, free of any major rips, tears, holes. Of course, you'd have one belt for the lap, one for over the shoulder, and then your center passenger seat belts. Old school tack. Dash looks good. Let's go ahead and fire this up. So here's AM/FM stereo. Electric clock. Odometer reads 55,068. I can't confirm if that's original or not, because once the vehicle's a certain age, the miles are not recorded in the title anymore. It's marked exempt. You can see the old school tack is working. Fuel gauge. Make sure we're in neutral. A couple sun gauges underneath the dash. One for water temp, that was a cold start, and the other one, the oil pressure. Let's listen to this beauty. Headliner looking good. Sounds good. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to get this hood popped. Let's check out that engine bay, and then stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road also. All right, give you a peek underside the hood. And there it is. What a power plant. As you can see, power brakes. Does have headers installed. Like I said, in with the still pictures, you're going to see the stamp off that 4-speed transmission. And the main digits you want to look at on there, there'll be the date code, of course. 69 was on there, November, I believe it was. But the following letter to all that is a C, stating that is the Muncie M22. And right here, it's that 427, 425 horse. You can check out the suffix code stamp and with the still pictures off that block. That'll all be along with this car, as well as the paperwork I was talking about, which you can see right here. I'll get a close-up picture of that for you. Protecto plate, broadcast sheet. Pretty cool rare car. 1969 Chevrolet Biscayne 2-door sedan or 2-door post. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Stick around just a bit longer. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Any questions, give us a call. Consult with a sales associate.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1969 Chevrolet. This one says Biscayne on the front fenders. That great looking wraparound chrome bumper. 1 year only. Very cool looking car. This is a 4-speed manual on the floor. Let's see how she does on the road. A wonderful acceleration. Lots of pull from that strong motor and a great rumble at the back of this car. Shifting excellent, clutch feels good. We have a Sun Super Tack mounted to the column right here. That is a vintage looking piece. Also down below on the right side, water temperature showing about 150, 155 on a Sun gauge, and the oil pressure showing about 50 on a Sun oil pressure gauge. Speedometer working as it should. The fuel gauge is showing almost full, and there is a clock over here. We have warning lights for the rest of it all across the base of the speedometer. Factory radio is working as it should. And the air is blowing some heat today, as it is a little chilly in Minnesota today. We'll take the Circle in second here. Feels like about the right gear. This car corners nicely, it doesn't lean too much. And again, there's that acceleration. Very fun to put the throttle down on this car. Nice looking interior, the bench seat. Black headliner, dash, doors, carpet. Factory horn does work. It's a little quiet, but I hear it. Sometimes they need to be pushed a few. There it is. The second tone kicked in. Needs a little action. And she'll be working as she should. One year only styling. Great looking blue 1969 Chevrolet. Take a look at all the pictures of this car over at uniqueclassiccars.com.